Anything you have a topic called pigments. So the basic pigments are the colored compounds. There are 1,500 colored compounds known in the nature basis on the chemical structure. So whatever the syllabus that is given in the FSSA syllabus, the pigments which are given are according to the chemical structure. So according to chemical structure, there are grouped into several types. The major things we study here are about the 6 classes, that is heme pigments, chlorophylls, carotenoids, betalains, flavonoids and miscellaneous. First thing we will study about is heme pigments. So heme pigments are basically red in color, and the red color can be in 2 forms, that is hemoglobin. The red pigment of hemoglobin is from the hemoglobin is the red pigment of blood, whereas the myoglobin is the red pigment of muscles. So this is very important because the meat which we eat, we remove the blood from it, and that's why that means we are removing the hemoglobin part. But the myoglobin part is remaining intact, and the muscle part is the part which we eat in the meat. So that red color which is given with red color of the meat is due to the myoglobin present in the meat, that is in the red meat, what we call in the beef meat or sheep, lamb, whatever it is. Next, what is the major role of this pigments is myoglobin. It facilitates the transfer of oxygen to muscles, and it is the first 3D arrangement of first protein to observe the 3D arrangement of atoms. Hemoglobin, oxygen carrying pigment of the blood, 4 heme groups attached to 4 polypeptide chains. This is you can understand this by the simple structure of the hemoglobin. So our concentration mainly is on the myoglobin, which is the major component on the meat that we eat, the edible part of the meat. So myoglobin changes colors when See, when the when the meat is freshly cut, it is purplish in color. Due to oxygenation of myoglobin, it will convert into red color. From purple color, it will become red in color. Then the oxygen molecule, that is by the addition of oxygen molecule. Next is oxygenated myoglobin is oxymyoglobin, and this is in the form of the iron present in the basic structure central atom is in the form of Fe+2 form only. Then you have when you cook the meat, what happens to the meat? The meat will turn into brown color, that is due to the oxidized, because it is oxidized. The meat, when it gets oxidized, it will turn into brown color, and that is called metmyoglobin, that the iron is in the form of Fe3+. But remember that this oxygenation and oxidation both are reversible, and the oxidative deterioration result. What is oxidative deterioration is when the meat is spoiled. So when the cooked meat is spoiled, it will turn into a green pigment. That green color is due to the self-myoglobin or chylomyoglobin. Okay. Now let us cooked meat. Globin of myoglobin is in the cooked meat. What happens? The globin of myoglobin is denatured, and it will form nicotinamide due to browning of the browning. When brown color is formed, the chemical the heme is denatured. The myoglobin is denatured, and the heme will have nicotinamide. So now in the form as a simple mind map, let's see this. Myoglobin, when it is on oxygenation, when exposed to oxygen, it will be oxymyoglobin, red color. This purple color will turn into red color, and Fe is in the form of Fe2+ only. This is normal case. And then myoglobin, when it is on oxidation, that is when you cook, what happens? It will turn into metmyoglobin, that is brown in color, and the iron is in the form of Fe3+. On oxidation of this, when the food is when meat after cooking it is left over and it is exposed to oxygen, then sulfur myoglobin or choline myoglobin, that green pigment is formed. See, this myoglobin should the fresh meat which is having myoglobin should be exposed less to the oxygen so that it will be remaining fresh. Then there is another meat called cured meat. The pink color of this cured meat is due to transforming of nitrosyl myoglobin into nitrosyl hemochrome. So I'll continue this class. Please, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe with your friends. See you soon.